Support Apple HomeKit. You can control LED light strips and scenes with Siri voice commands or Meross app directly. For Apple Home app remote control, you need to install an Apple TV or iPad as a home hub in your home. Voice app control. Smart light strips are compatible with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings. You can control them with simple voice commands. And you'll feel more convenient to turn your smart LED lights on, off, adjust brightness, or change the colors via Meross app or Home app. Premium Bright RGB LEDs. Meross 32.8ft smart strip lights are equipped with 300 LED beads, making them bright enough to illuminate your bedroom, kitchen, porches, and holiday parties. Note: these LED lights are not waterproof and are designed for indoor use. Timer and schedule. Applying your LED strip lights to your daily routine now is easier than ever. With modes like sunrise and sunset, you can set your smart Wi-Fi LED strip to brighten when you wake up, and gradually dim when you drift off to sleep. Offline control. When home network disconnects from the internet, you can still control Meross light strips from Meross app locally. And routine schedule will be stored locally and will still perform even if internet is down. Top reviews from the United States. Super easy, came with everything needed. I was skeptical about connecting to HomeKit and Alexa based on reviews, however I just scanned the barcode on the switch and it did its thing and works great. Hooked up to Alexa no problem too. LED strip has a very sticky backside for adhesion, and it even came with extra strip hooks to screw, stick on the worry spots. The warm white dedicated color is great. The custom scenes aren't as robust as I would expect. Basically you can just have it sequence through colors, or pulse, but I didn't plan on using those anyways. Now I can just tell Alexa to turn on the master bedroom lights and it comes on with the recessed lighting, or I can say turn on the headboard lights and it comes right up. You can also tell Alexa to dim the lights to 5%, etc. No complaints. I will likely buy more of these for the kitchen cabinets and elsewhere.